Okay, for our next example, paano naman kapagka yung beam nyo ay cantilever na? Cantilever beam and at the same time wala kayong specific values for our load P. Ang distances nyo ay in terms of A and B and then L. Ang pinapahanap sa inyo ay yung maximum deflection of the beam. Obviously, this is a cantilever beam, so ang magiging elastic curve nyo ay pag ganito. Mag-start kayo doon sa may fixed end support nyo, and then magkakaroon yan dito ng deflection sa dulo. Tandaan nyo na palagi na kapag ka ang beam nyo ay cantilever, yung maximum deflection nyo ay laging nasa dulo. Ito yung inyong maximum deflection or Ymax. Okay. So, pinapasolve sa atin yung maximum deflection in terms of these letters lang. Walang binigay na specific values for them. So, let's try. Ganun pa rin, first, inanalyze natin yung beam nyo. Next, dinrawingan natin siya ng elastic curve. Ang third ay, pwede natin actually kunin yung support dito. Let's call this as your A and this is your B. Pwede natin sa totoo lang kunin yung VA dyan at saka yung moment A. Ayan. Pwede natin kunin yan kasi this is a cantilever beam, so statically determinate yan. So kapag ka nag-summation ng forces, vertical is equal to 0, so VA is equal to P. Yun na. And then, taking summation ng moment at A is equal to 0, clockwise equate that to counterclockwise moments. So that's going to be PA, P times A. Ano pa? Wala na, that is equal to MA. So therefore, MA is equal to PA, and then VA is equal to P. So ayan. Next, mag-draw tayo ng imaginary distance x. Okay. Since kailangan natin i-include yung MA at saka yung PA na yan, yung VA at saka MA na yan, dito tayo mag-cut. Mag-draw ng imaginary distance x. Well, pwede rin naman sa kabila, pero pwede nyo i-try. Pero ako, dito ko siya idodrawingan ng imaginary distance x. Para ma-include yung MA at saka yung VA na yan. Pero, baka may magtanong, pwede dito? Yes, pwede yan. Ang mangyayari lang, yung magiging deflection nyo, instead of in terms of A, magiging in terms of B siya. Which, pwede naman. Pwede nyong i-try. Okay, na-analyze, na-drawingan ng elastic curve. Next, na-drawingan na natin siya ng imaginary distance x. This time, mag-solve na tayo or mag-moment na tayo. This is your mx or moment sa distance x. So, this will be EI y double prime is equal to mx. This will now be EI y double prime is equal to, ano ba yung mx niya dyan? Upward forces minus downward forces. So, yung upward VA yan is going to be V sub AX. Ano pa? Minus MA. Yung MA nyo, lagyan nyo siya ng X raised to 0. And then, ano pa? Yung P nyo, therefore, ang distance dito ay X minus A. Minus P times yung moment arm niya, that's X minus A. Okay, recheck natin, mabuti. That's V sub A X minus MA X raised to 0 minus P times quantity X minus A. And then ito, yung V sub A nyo tsaka M sub A nyo, palitan nyo yan ng in terms of P. Ito yun. So ito, magiging P na lang to. And then ito, magiging PA. This will now be EI y double prime is equal to, this is PX minus PA x raised to 0 minus p times quantity x minus a. Ayun na. Okay. Para check natin. M. Okay. Okay. Na-analyze, na-drawingan nyo yung elastic curve, na-drawingan nyo yung imaginary distance x, na-establish nyo yung moment equation nyo. This time, we can now integrate. This is your moment equation. Let's now integrate this. Tsaka to, both sides. This will now be ei y prime is equal to px squared over 2 minus pax minus p times quantity x minus a squared over 2 plus c sub 1. Integrating once more, this will be eiy is equal to px cubed na to over 6 na to minus pax squared over 2 minus p times quantity x minus a cube over 6 plus c sub 1 x plus c sub 2. We can now call this as your slope or rotation equation, and we can now call this as your deflection equation. Ayan. Okay, next, ano kayang next boundary conditions? Kapag ka binalikan niyo yung boundary conditions dyan, since dito tayo nag-start mag-draw ng imaginary distance x at x is equal to 0, walang rotation dyan kasi fix yan. Wala ring deflection dyan. Y is also equal to 0. Yan na. Dyan lang. Wala naman tayong ibang support. So, yan lang ang boundary condition nyo. So, kunin natin to. Copy. Paste natin. Boundary conditions. Ayan na. So, pagka ginamit nyo yung boundary conditions na yan, since fix yan, mapapansin nyo, magsisiro lahat to. So, this will be 0 to, 0 to, 0 to, eto disregard. Therefore, c sub 1 is equal to 0. Ito naman, 0 to, 0, 0, eto disregard, 0 din to. Therefore, c sub 2 is also equal to 0. Ayun na. And then lastly, para kunin natin, since meron na kayong value ng c sub 1 tsaka c sub 2, pwede nyo nang kunin yung maximum deflection. Okay. Maximum deflection. Yung maximum deflection nyo, ayun na. Meron na kayong L. So, sulat natin dito, x max is equal to L at distance L. So, since kukunin natin yung maximum deflection, ang working equation natin dyan ay yung deflection equation. Of course. So, i-note ko dito. Maximum deflection at x is equal to L. Okay, so palitan natin. Sige. This will now be EI y max na to is equal to PL cube over 6 minus PA L squared over 2 minus P times quantity L minus A cube over 6 plus 0 plus 0. Okay, eto, expand nyo to. Pwede nyong i-expand yan ng tatlo na ganito. L minus A times L minus A times L minus A. Or, tandaan nyo na yung cube of binomial natin, that is A minus B cube is equal to A cube, tapos dito 3a squared b, and then 3b squared a, and then b cubed. And then yung operations niyan, since negative tong operation nyo, alternating yan. So, kumbaga, ito, minus na siya dito, plus, and then minus. In this case, your A is your L, and then yung B nyo ay yung A. Therefore, click ko na dito, L minus A cube will be equal to, this is L cube minus 3, L squared A plus 3, A squared L minus A cube. Ayan na. Pero syempre, kapag ka nakalimutan nyo to cube of binomial, pwede yan i-expand ng ganyan. Mabilis lang din naman yan kasi tatlo lang naman. Okay. So, sige. Input nyo dun yan. This will now be EI Y maximum is equal to PL cube over 6 minus PA L squared over 2 minus P over 6 times, ilagay nyo to, in-expand natin, L cube minus 3 L squared A plus 3 A squared L minus A cube. Distributing, EI Y max is equal to PL cube over 6 minus PA L squared over 2 minus PL cube over 6 plus 3P 3PA L squared over 6 minus 3P A squared L over 6 plus P A cube over 6. Then simplifying, ito tsaka to magiging ito 1 na to, ito 2. 1 na to and this one is 2. And then anong pwede nating ma-simplify? Cancel na to tsaka to, 0 yan. And then ito at saka ito, negative 1 plus 1 half na lang yan. So, this will be, meron pa ba? Wala na. Parang meron pa, no? I-rewrite ko nga muna. This will be EI Y max is equal to, pero dalawa na yan, alisin natin, negative PA L squared over 2 plus PA L squared over 2. Yun pala eh. Okay. Minus PA squared L over 2. Then plus PA cube over 6. Makakancel din pala to. Ito at saka ito. Ayun na. Therefore, ang matitira na lang ay EI Y max is equal to negative PA squared L over 2 plus PA cube over 6. So ngayon, simplifying further, pwede nyo i-factor out yung pwede nyo munang kunin yung LCD. LCD muna. This is EI Y max is equal to, LCD nila ay 6. 6 divided by 2, that's 3. So this will be negative 3 PA squared L plus PA cube. And then tsaka nyo i-factor out. EI Y max is equal to, factoring out PA squared. This will be, okay, PA squared times quantity, negative 3 L plus A over 6. Ayan. Or, ito yung answer nyo, or, pwede pa kasing isa yan, pero ito na yung answer niyan, lagyan ko ng or, ito, i-multiply nyo to by -1. So, pag ginawa nyo yan, this will be 3 PA squared L minus PA cubed over 6. Tsaka nyo i-factor out. This will be PA squared times 3L minus A over 6. Ayan. So, press lang yan. Ano lang, ginawa ko lang positive yung 3L. And then, so alisin ko pala muna to. Alisin ko na to. Yung EI, ibaba ko na. Ibaba ko na dun sa baba yung EI. This will be EI. And then dito, EI din. Ayan, kahit ano yung maging final answer niyo dyan, okay lang. So that's it. This is your maximum deflection in terms of P, A, at saka L. Kung gusto niyo makuha yung maximum deflection in terms of B, wag niyo na, pwede kayo mag-cut do sa kabila or palitan niyo na lang yung L. Palitan niyo na lang yung value ng A. Di gawin niyo tong ano, in terms of gawin niyo na lang tong pwede niyo tong gawing L minus B. Ayan. Pero this is your final answer.